A very warm welcome to all my dear students. Welcome to the class of mathematics. Today we will start chapter 8 decimals for class 6. So let's begin with this chapter. First of all, what are decimals? Decimal numbers are numbers that represent part of a whole or numbers that are less than 1 but greater than 0. We use a decimal point to separate the whole number places from the places which is less than 1. For example, in the number 6.95, or you can say 6.95. Here 6 is greater than 1, then decimal point, and then 95 is less than 1. Now decimal numbers. The position of a digit within a number indicate the value of the digit. As we move from right to the left of the place value, each of the digit is multiplied by 10. So here there is a place value chart. First of all, there is unit place starting from the right hand side, or you can say that ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands, then 10,000, then 100,000 and so on. This is the place value chart. Now next is the place value chart of decimal numbers. Now there is a decimal point in the middle of the place value chart. Now on the left hand side there are all the whole numbers, and on the right hand side there are decimal fractions. On the right hand side, first of all, there is tenth, hundredth, thousand, 10,000. For example, suppose the number is 6945 decimal 3728. So here in this number, the 6 will be at thousands place, then 9 at hundred place, 4 at tens place, 5 at ones place, then decimal point, then 3 will be at 10th place, 7 will be 100th place, 2 is at 1000th place, and 8 at 10,000 place. This is how we can represent decimal numbers in place value chart. Next is representation of decimal number on number line. Now we know that how to represent fraction on a number line. We have done this in the previous chapter, fractions. Now let us learn how to represent decimals on number line. Now let us represent 1.3 on the number line. We know that the number is 1.3. So 1.3 is greater than 1 but less than 2. Example 1.3 on the number line. So here we have put 1 and 2 on the starting and end of the number line. Now since 1.3 is between 1 and 2, draw a number line from 1 to 2. Use increments of 1 by 10th since 1 by 3 is written to the 10th place value. Draw a dot at the location that represents 1 by 3. Next is place value chart. Write the following decimals in the place value chart. The first number is 19.4. The next number is 0.3. The next number is 10.6. The next number is 205.9. Now we will represent these numbers in the place value chart. So in the place value chart, first of all there is 100, tens, ones, and then 10th place. Now first number is 19.4. So in this number 1 will be at tens place, 9 at ones place, then there is a decimal point, and then 4 will be at 10th place, that is 1 by 10th place. Now in the next number 0.3, 0 will be at ones place, then decimal point, and then 3 will be at 10th place. In the next number 10.6, 1 is at tens place, 0 is at ones place, then decimal point, and then 3 will be at 10th place. Now the last number is 205.9. Now 2 is at 100 place, 0 at tens place, 5 at ones place, then decimal point, and then in the end 9 is at 10th place. This is how we can represent decimal numbers in the place value chart and on the number line. Thank you all.